Hi, welcome to Subtraction with Borrowing. This is going to be a basic clip of subtracting fractions using borrowing. We have 8 and we're going to subtract 3/5. What we need to do is fill in this empty space here above the fractions so we can subtract the fractions. So we're going to borrow 1, and what I like to do is make a little rocket ship, and 1 is going to hop into the rocket ship, and then it's going to transform into the same thing as the denominator, 5/5, because 5/5 equals 1. And it's going to drop out in the fraction column. And now we have something here, and we have enough that we can subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. We're going to bring down our denominator. And then when we borrowed 1 from 8, it became 7. And that's the answer, 7 2/5. Let's take a look at another one. Let's say that we have 9 and 1/4 minus 2 and 3/4. We're going to focus in on the fractions. We have 1 on top and we can't take 3 away. This fraction's smaller than this one. The bigger one's on bottom, so we can't do that. So we're going to have to come over and we're going to borrow 1, and that's going to become 8. 1 is going to hop into a rocket ship, and it's going to transform into a fraction, which is going to be the same thing as the denominator. 4/4 equals 1. It's going to drop down, and it's going to help this fraction that didn't have enough. So we're going to add them. 1/4 plus 4/4 is 5/4. And now we're going to be able to subtract. I actually like to slide this fraction, just keep it the same and slide it straight over. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And I'm going to keep my same denominator, and 8 minus 2 is 6. Now whenever you get a fraction answer, you need to ask yourself the is question. The I stands for is your fraction improper, and it's not. The S stands for simplified, is your fraction in simplest form. Well, 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2, so I'm going to simplify them by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number, 2. And the answer, simplified, would be 1/2. So we have the whole number over here and the fraction over here. It's a good idea to put them together. And that is subtracting fractions with borrowing. Thank you for visiting my video, and check out my others online.